Morning. Well, here we are, Friday morning, the 23rd, I believe. No, it's the 22nd of April, and I'm sitting in, where am I? McDonough, Georgia, at the Whirlpool warehouse. Just delivered last night. I'm gonna go look for an empty this morning to take up to my next load in Atlanta at Armada Hub. It's going to Walker, Louisiana. Last time I did a video, we talked about the DEF awning that I put on this thing. I had to remove the outboard DPF filter and put a DEF awning on the inside there, and it was supposed to take care of the code 4364 fail 18, and I got rolling out of Laredo, Texas, and about 30 miles up the road on Tuesday, it derated me, and I stopped and did a regen. Thought, okay, well, this was kind of expected because you got to get all that stuff burned out of the bottom of the SCR mixing chamber. Well, everything went fine. I went through 3 driving cycles. The check engine light on the dash went off. Then about half a day later, on Thursday, all my lights came back on and it derated me again. Now I'm hoping it's still trying to get all that stuff burned out, but we're talking 2,000 miles later. So we'll see how it goes. It derated me to 55 miles an hour. I kept on going. It went for about 8 miles. And then took the derate away and gave me back my power, and I was able to finish the run. So now I've still got the check engine light on the dash that'll be there for 3 driving cycles, but I just get worried about it because when is it going to be the time where that light doesn't go back off? I'm trying to get this figured out, trying to reduce all the stress, all the worries out here on the road, and so we'll see what happens with that. I'll keep you posted. I'm leaving here, going to Walker, Louisiana. Then I got to go up to Monroe, Louisiana, to Graphic Packaging and pick up a load that goes to Fort Collins, Colorado. That's a pretty good load. Line haul on it. It's pretty good line haul. So here we go. I'll keep you posted.